Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful Friendship Day shaker box with the handmade quilled bracelet. So inside the box you can just put any chocolate, and this is a cute quilled bracelet or friendship band for your friend. Isn't it looking very cute? So you can surprise your friend in coming Friendship Day. So let's get started. So I'm starting with my friendship band first, and for the flower I am taking half strip of yellow color and making one tight teardrop shape. For my today's quill friendship band I am using 2 mm strips only. You can use 3 mm as well, and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. So I'm joining total 6 petals together and making one flower. Now for the center of the flower, I am taking half strip of orange color and making one tight coil. But before adding the tight coil, I am doing some shading on petals. So I am taking this orange color acrylic shade, and by mixing little water with color, I am doing little shading on each petal. So you can use archival inks as well, and I'm showing you how you can use acrylic colors instead of inks. It will give you very nice shading on the flower. It's not compulsory, you can skip this step, but it will enhance the beauty of the flower. And now I'm adding my orange tight coil. And to create connector, I am taking 1/4 strip of dark pink color and making one tight coil. In the same way I have created one more. So both the tight coils I am adding on two sides of the flowers so that we can connect the flower chain, or we can create the chain. Now I'm just adding varnish on the flower. I'm using this perfect glaze varnish by Craft Gully, and it will make our flower more sturdy and waterproof. In the same way I have prepared total 6 flowers. If required I can add some more flowers according to the wrist size. Now I will show you how to connect two flowers with each other. Here in the center of the flower I have just added some glitter powder. I added the glue and sprinkled some glitter on top, and the glitter name is the rainbow glitter from Dress My Craft. And now I'm taking one silver jump ring, just open it, and I'm just connecting these two flowers by inserting the jump ring on these pink color connectors. So insert two flowers from the jump ring and secure your jump ring. And this is done. In the same way I have added total 7 flowers according to my wrist size. On one side I have added this lobster lock using jump ring, and on other side I am adding the chain. So the super cute quilled bracelet or friendship band is ready. Very easy, and it's looking fabulous. Now I'm starting with the box. So I'm taking this white sheet which measures 28 by 17 centimeters, and from all four sides I have folded on 2 centimeters and 4 centimeters. This sheet is having 300 GSM thickness. So first I am making the box base and I am cutting all 4 corners in this manner. So we have to cut the corner in a step shape like this and repeating this process on remaining corners. So this is done. Now I'm just constructing my box. And the box is ready. Then I'm decorating it using some pattern papers. And this is done. Now I'm starting with the lid. For this I'm taking 20.2 by 20.5 centimeter cardstock and I have creased on 9 and 11.2 centimeters. And after folding it, it should look like this. So first I am attaching one ribbon on top before adding the pattern paper. Then I am decorating this as well using pattern paper. And I am going to stick my box inside the lid. And attaching the pattern paper on the remaining parts. Then adding the other side ribbon in the bottom, and then I will add the pattern paper. So the basic box is ready. Now here I have created this rectangular frame using glitter papers and golden mirror cardstock, which measures 10 by 6 centimeters. I left approx 1 centimeter border from all 4 sides. Now on back side I have just added double-sided tacky tape and I am removing the liner and putting acetate sheet on this. Here I am creating the shaker window. Then I am putting some double-sided foam tape to create the shaker on this frame. Then I'm pouring some flower pearls in blue color, some heart sequences in pink, blue and white color, and also pouring some glitter powder. All the material list has been given in the description box. If you want to buy anything, you can just check out this. Now I am removing the liners. And on top of this I am adding the piece of vellum paper. So the cute shaker window is ready. Now I'm putting this shaker window on my box lid. I'm adding glue only on the edge of the frame because we have added vellum and it should not be visible from outer side. And now I'm adding the sentiment hello friend on this. It's looking gorgeous. Now I am decorating my lid using some die cutouts and handmade flowers. I have created some paper flowers here, and if you want to add quilling flowers, you can also do the same. So it's done. Now inside the box I am just attaching my bracelet. So I have added some double-sided foam tape pieces here, remove the liner, and now sticking my bracelet on this side. It will be the temporary arrangement. You can take out the bracelet easily. So when your friend will get this gift, he will get the surprise friendship band inside the box, and also you can put the chocolate here. Now I'm just closing my box by tying a knot using ribbon, and the cute friendship day gift with the friendship day band is ready. I'm sure you will try this very soon because friendship day is coming very soon. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.